Hi guys! Luto tayo ng tinolang manok. This comforting Filipino ginger and chicken soup. It is easy to make and features savory, delicate broth. The recipe uses aromatics like garlic and ginger and is finished with green leafy vegetables. Umpisahan na natin. Saute aromatics like garlic, onion, lemongrass, and ginger until the onion is translucent and fragrant. Season it with salt and pepper. Then, add na natin yung chicken and continue to saute for about 5 minutes or until the chicken turns light brown. Season and simmer. Pour in the fish sauce and stir to combine. Add the water or rice wash for a richer flavor and bring the mixture to a boil. Nakalimutan natin ilagay yung peppercorn, so ilagay na natin siya. Cook the chicken for 30 minutes or until the chicken is tender. Skim off any fat that rises to the surface. Add papaya and sili, and then continue to simmer for 15 minutes or until the vegetable is fork tender. Then add na natin yung malunggay or moringa, or you can use chili leaves or dahon ng sili. Serve tinola hot with steamed white rice. For extra flavor, serve with additional fish sauce, sili, and calamansi or lemon juice.